Imagine this, you're sitting in an aircraft ready for takeoff. Suddenly, there's a smoke, a spark, or even flames from the engine. Scary. Yes, but fatal? Not necessarily. If you know what happens next and what you must do as a passenger. Namaskar, this is Captain Sandhya and welcome to Flight Gyan, your trusted space where aviation is explained with facts, not fear. Today, we are talking about one of the most critical situations, aircraft fire, during takeoff, mid flight, or landing. And most importantly, how you as a passenger can act smartly to save not only yourself but everyone around you. Let's start with fire during takeoff. Takeoff is the most critical phase of flight. If fire is detected in the engine or anywhere in the aircraft at this point, here's what happens. Rejected takeoff. The pilots will immediately abort the takeoff if the speed is still within safe limits. Full braking. The aircraft will stop on the runway and emergency services are alerted instantly. Evacuation. If fire persists, cabin crew will command, evacuate, and emergency slides will be deployed. As a passenger, your drill is simple. Leave everything behind. Your bag is not worth a life. Follow crew commands loudly and quickly. Use the nearest exit even if it's not the one you boarded from. Remember, every second counts. If fire happens mid-flight, that is, engine or cabin, this is often the scariest to imagine, but pilots and cabin crew are well trained for it. If it's engine fire mid-air, pilots have fire extinguishing systems in the cockpit. The fire bottles are discharged into the affected engine. Air can safely land even on one engine. Cabin fire, like electrical or seat fire. Cabin crew will immediately use halon or water fire extinguishers. They are trained to isolate the fire and protect passengers. Now, your role as a passenger. Stay seated unless instructed otherwise. Inform crew immediately if you see smoke or fire near you. Do not panic. Your calmness helps others stay calm too. Now, let's move on to fire during landing. If an aircraft lands with fire indication, airport fire trucks will already be waiting along the runway. Pilots may declare a mayday and prepare for a possible evacuation. Evacuation could happen on the runway itself. Now, passenger drill. Again, leave bags, they block slides and can kill people behind you. Remove high heels, sharp objects, they can puncture slides. Cover nose and mouth with a cloth if there's a smoke. And last, what happens after landing? Firefighters immediately check and douse any flames. Medical staff attend to passengers. You may be bussed to the terminal or moved to a safe zone. Your responsibility as a passenger. Please stay calm. Panic can trigger stampedes. Help elderly, children, and the injured if you are able. Never rush back inside the aircraft for belongings. This is the important key survival drill for passengers. Listen to safety briefing seriously. Count the rows between your seat and the nearest exit. Follow crew's command instantly. Never argue, never delay evacuation. Life is more valuable than luggage. Aircraft fires are extremely rare, but being aware gives you confidence instead of fear. Aviation is the safest mode of travel, and with proper training, both crew and passengers can handle emergencies effectively. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flight Gyan. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update where we break down aviation safety for you. And remember, aviation is about facts, not fear. This is Captain Sandhya signing off until next time. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep flying high. Thank you.